Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A73. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable OK Google function. Tap next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled. And now simply lock the screen and say, hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 32 and a low of 9.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.